If you're looking for a free AI tool that can help you create viral YouTube thumbnails in 2025, you just landed on the right video. I'm going to walk you through the exact tool I use to generate high converting thumbnails in minutes. No design skills, no expensive editors, and absolutely no Photoshop. Whether you're just starting out or trying to scale your channel faster, this is going to save your time and get you more clicks. Let's break it down. What actually makes a thumbnail go viral in 2025? Clear emotion, big bold text, clear composition, relevance to the title. The problem? Designing that stuff manually take hours or a lot of money. That's where free AI thumbnail tools are changing the game. So here's the tool I recommend. It's called myaithumbnail. It's free to get started and insanely easy to use. Let me show you with two examples. In first, let's recreate a good thumbnail with some changes. Second, let's create a thumbnail from just a video's title. So just go to myaithumbnail.com. Go to the recreate section, upload the YouTube video link whose thumbnail you want to recreate. Let it know if you want some changes in it. Add your face if you want it more personalized and click on generate. Boom. That took me literally 90 seconds. Now let's make a thumbnail from just a video title. Add your video's title here. Add some description if you want some particular things in your thumbnail. For now, I can't think of anything, so let's keep it blank. Add your face to make it more personalized and then click on generate. Boom, we got this in less than a minute. Now let me break down why this works. This AI tool doesn't just throw filters on a photo. It actually understands facial emotion mapping, thumbnail layout logic, click psychology, which includes contrast, white space, text positioning, and the best part, you can A/B test 3-4 versions without wasting hours. That means even if you are starting out, you can compete with massive creators just by improving your thumbnails. More clicks equals more views equals more growth. The tool is completely free to try. If it helps you, great. If not, you still got a better thumbnail than YouTube's auto screenshot. Head over to myaithumbnail.com, create your first thumbnail and reply in the comments with the link. I would love to check it out. And if you want more AI tools like this, hit subscribe. This is just the beginning.